Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a poll on Discord. So first of all, open up the app. So here I'm in my server right now. Now what you're here to click on this plus button right here, and in here click on polls. Now in here type in the question. I'll go for how many cars do you have? And after that type in the answer. I will go for 1 and 2. You can also add other answers if you want to by just clicking on this plus button right here. You can also add emojis by just clicking on this emoji button right here. Click on it, and after that select the emoji. I will go for, let's say, this thumbs up button, and after that you can select the duration of the poll. I will go for, let's say, 3 days, and after that you can also allow multiple answers if you want to. Select this option, and after that click on post, and as you guys can see, that poll has been added. So that is how you can create a poll on Discord. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a poll on Discord. So here I am at my server in Discord. Now once you're here to click on this plus button besides the message bar, click on it, and in here click on create poll. After that this window pop up. Now in here type in the question. I'm going for, do you like cheese? Then after that you will have to type in the answers here. Yes, no. You can add other answers as well, and you can also add emojis to your answers by just clicking on emoji right here, and after that selecting an emoji that you want to go. I would go for, let's say, this one, and after that you can also select a duration for the poll. I will go for, let's say, 8 hours, and after that you can also allow multiple answers if you want to. I will allow them, and after that click on post, and after that, as you guys can see, my poll has been entered. So that is how you can create a poll on Discord.